So let me tell you a story. Back in 2019, when I was a third year medical student, I remember it was a Wednesday and we had a full day inside the lab. Until late afternoon, we were inside the labs conducting experiments, learning, and it was extremely stressful that day. So I was just waiting to just take the day off and rest. And I was thinking, as I was walking from the medical building to my apartment, how much I want to just go home to decompress from all of the stress that I just underwent that day. I just wanted to grab my camera, shoot some videos, be creative, and then just take the day off. So I go home, right? And this is when I had my first YouTube channel. I go home, grab my camera, and just start shooting random videos, random video commercials. As I was there shooting with my camera, I thought to myself, how cool would it be if I was also able to sell those videos, if I was able to make money as I am decompressing from medical school? How cool would it be if I was able to make money from my hobby, right? And I think that right at that point, at this specific rainy Wednesday of 2019, I set a subconscious goal in my mind to create a business and to start working towards making money from my hobby, which at the time was videography, right? Now, fast forward 4 years and I have created a successful online course business that has generated thousands and thousands of dollars and has been generating thousands of dollars every single month for months and years to come, after educating more than 30,000 students across all platforms. And I'm not creating this video to brag about this. I'm creating this video due to the fact that this was one of the best decisions, if not the best decision in my life. And if I was able to do this as a third year medical student that had lectures to attend, labs to attend, assignments to submit, and multiple very hard exams to do with 0 followers and 0 investment, you can also do this, trust me. So here are just some reasons for you to consider starting a business as a student or starting a business as a medical student while in medical school. In my opinion, the best business model that you can start to monetize your passions, to monetize your hobbies, and make money as you decompress from your work, as you decompress from medical school or from any other college that you're studying. The best business model for you, in my opinion, is online course creation. So here are 3 reasons why I absolutely suggest you to start an online course business as a student. Now, obviously, the first reason to become an entrepreneur, right? The first reason to start a business is financial freedom. Now, financial freedom by itself doesn't mean anything. What financial freedom buys is the name of the game, what we really aim for, which is freedom of choice. Imagine entering the medical field. Imagine entering pretty much any other field of occupation, any other field of work, while having the complete freedom of choice. Wouldn't be this the most genuine and subjective decision of yours? Starting to do something not because of money, but because you're intrinsically motivated, because you actually want to do this. In my opinion, if you have sorted out the financial part and you don't stress about the money, this is when you can actually decide about your future subjectively. So obviously, the first reason to start a business, the first reason to become an entrepreneur is due to financial freedom that buys you afterwards freedom of choice. And this is what we're looking after, freedom of choice. The second huge reason to start an online course business, the second huge aspect of teaching online is the fact that you actually have a positive impact in the world. And now this might sound very theoretical. Yes, okay, we're having a positive impact, but you will actually see and receive messages, receive emails, receive DMs of your students genuinely telling you that you have very much impacted their lives and they're extremely grateful and happy for the fact that they enrolled in your course. As a person that studies medicine, as a person that this is actually what I seek in my life, this feeling of actually having a true impact in the community and the lives of people is one of the best feelings that you can experience. The third reason why I absolutely recommend you to start an online course business while in medical school or in university or in college is the fact that you gain teaching experience and experience in managing people, right? Running a business requires you to learn how to manage people. Now again, this might sound a bit theoretical, or at least that it's not as practical as making money and becoming financially free, but knowing how to apply yourself, how to communicate with different types of people for the greater gain of your business is one of the greatest skills that you can develop. The final huge asset of starting to create courses, starting an online course business as you are in college, as you're in university, as you are in medical school, is the fact that you actually learn how to teach. If you want to be successful in the online course market, you need to become a good teacher. And if you manage to learn how to teach, if you manage to be able to communicate information towards a camera and help others digest this information from the other side of the screen, this is one of the most highly leveraged skills that you can develop. Once you learn how to teach, there is no ceiling on what you can teach. You can literally teach whatever you want. You can teach about cars, you can teach about medical school, you can teach about surgery, you can teach about cameras. You can teach about literally anything. And this gives you this amazing opportunity to infiltrate any market that you can. Why? Because you know how to teach, because you have the tools and the knowledge on how to communicate your message to thousands and thousands of people. This is why, ladies and gentlemen, knowing how to create an online course, knowing how to list an online course, and knowing how to reach thousands of people with this online course is one of the most high leverage skills of our modern times. And this is exactly why I created this channel right here. This channel is tailored to get a complete beginner that has absolutely no idea regarding on how to create online courses, how to shoot videos, how to edit videos, and give him all of the correct information, all of the data sets that you need to understand and you need to implement to become a successful online course creator. So ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to check out the rest of the videos in this channel, and if you want to book a one-on-one call with me to discuss on how to turn your passion into the profit, you can use the first link in the description. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.